The third stop of our day tour in Siquijor was Balete Fish Spa, and it's exactly what the name says. Ang main attraction doon ay itong century-old enchanted balete tree. Mahiwaga daw ito at nagbibigay ng healing. Kaya naglagay sila doon ng spa, isang pool na punong-puno ng mga isda. You put your feet in and the fish will nibble off your dead skin. Para sa hindi sanay, nakakagulat at nakakakiliti. But after a while, you get used to it, you relax, and you actually quite enjoy the massage. Oh, I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
You don't want to do it?
I giggle a lot. I don't want to giggle too much in public.
Okay.
It's really ticklish.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Jolts you for the first few bites.
You've been very calm, actually. I was like, I almost lost my mind.
Because you can feel the teeth.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
They're small, but they've got teeth.
Okay, so that was tasty.
There were a lot of tourists there, and we got to talk to this lady from Oregon who's been island hopping around the Philippines. Look at this fish go at it. After the foot spa, we checked out the merchandise, and they sell these voodoo dolls.
I was saying we could buy 2 in Maldives and make it a ballet.
You may have already heard that Siquijor is a haven for witches. So I asked our tour guide Dennis kung totoong may mga aswang doon. Wala naman daw. It's just that in the past, there was no Western medicine, so people relied on arbolarios and medicinal plants. And that kind of animistic, spiritual, natural healing had been passed down through the generations.
Yeah.
On a broom!
On a broom. This is cool.
That is so cute. But hey, it's a great marketing tool, so sakay na lang. Speaking of riding on, our next stop was Hapitanan Broom Shot, where this man makes you fly. Sino pangalan mo?
Mars.
Mars. Tagal mo nang ginagawa to, pinapalipad ng tao?
Pinapalipad pag umaga, hanggang gabi. Pag sinong pumunta dito, ako bahala sa
Paliliparin mo.
Paliparin ko dito sa Siquijor.
And here's where the magic happens.
1, 2, 3, jump. Lantaw dire. 1, 2, 3, jump. Okay, close ang tiil. Itudlo ng kamot sa tubangan. 1, 2, 3, jump. Okay.
O, tingnan mo ang galing niya, oh. Bilis ng kamay mo.
Chamba lang.
I had my turn and look, pinalipad nga niya ako. I'll take you to more magical spots in Siquijor. Follow me.